Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo Y01. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack of your device, is not working, you can solve this problem by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo Y01. Let's watch the video.